What's going on, everybody? I'm Dominic from Dike's Passion channel, and first of all I would like to thank you for reaching 5,000 subscribers on my channel. It's a huge thing for me and I really appreciate that. So big thanks to you guys and many more model car videos to come this year. But now I want to show you my new model, which is Alfa Romeo 4C 118 scale by AUTOart in red color. This is actually one of the first composite models by AUTOart, and today's price is somewhere between 110 euros and 140 euros. You can choose from multiple colors. I wanted some Alfa Romeo in my collection, so this was a natural choice. Is this composite Alfa good enough? Let's find out. Now, what's my verdict? I have mixed feelings about this. I like paint when it's composite, red color is amazing, wheels are nicely done as always with AUTOart, door gaps are great, but I don't like some paint defects on my model, interior is like some cheap Maisto, and there are some glue remains on the grills. I like my composite models like 918 Spider P1 or Vanquish, but this Alpha is more like my yellow Corvette by AUTOart. I'm not 100% satisfied with it, and of course AUTOart can do better. So this is my verdict. Please write me in comments what do you think about it. Don't forget to subscribe for more model car videos, and I thank you for watching. See you soon.